Hello, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. Let's start by opening the browser. To do it, tap the icon right here. In the browser, let's tap right here on the More Options icon and select History. Now we can remove the sites one by one from the history by tapping the X button next to them, like this. Or we can just tap on Clear Browsing Data. Here we can select between Basic or Advanced. The difference is that the Basic has only 3 types of data you can clear, and Advanced has 6. Okay. We can also tap on Time Range and select between last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. For the sake of the video, let's select all time. And once you're done setting this up, tap on Clear Data right here to clear your history. And as you can see, the history was removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.